From this video we will know what's new in the new version of teslascada 2 version 59. The main feature we added in the new version is the possibility to use multimonitors. To open project properties and check use multimonitors and open collection. Here you can set up multimonitors. You can choose monitor number and add start screen. Also, it's possible to check fit to screen. If you check it, your project screen will be fit to your monitor sizes. Now let's open teslascada to runtime and start our project where you use multi-monitors. You can see we open on the second monitor open screen sensors, and we can see it in our second monitor. In my case, it's TV. You can navigate through general pages by using main screen, but also it's possible to navigate by using second monitor. And you can see we open trends, and you can set up trends in our second monitor time interval. Also, it's possible to call pop-up screen, but it's not recommended on the second monitor because it's opened not fits to window. And it's not recommended to open dialog boxes. You can see it's opened in our main screen, not in the second screen. But you can navigate through your second monitor, open general windows by using navigation bar, and make settings as you want. Also, in the second monitor will be run scripts. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum.